I'm going to show you how to make a really delicious brunch dish. A sweet potato hash with chorizo, lots of red onion, tahini, and yogurt. So, onion, roughly sliced. So I'm just going to get my onion straight in the pan. Just going to throw in my garlic. Now, sweet potato and potato. I have here, both of them have been boiled until they're nice and soft, but not fully cooked through, but nearly cooked through. Next thing, chorizo. I'm going to use about half of this, split it in half, and then just chop through it like that. So it's kind of roughly the same size as the potato and sweet potato. I'm now going to add about a teaspoon of smoked paprika, some coriander seeds, and then also a dash of mustard seeds. Our chorizo. You can already smell those amazing spices. They give such great flavor to the dish, like a really nice smoky aromatic note. Cooking the sweet potatoes and the potatoes in salt puts much more flavor into them. So it brings out the flavor of the vegetables before you cook with them. Always an important tip. The oil's now rendering nicely out of the chorizo, so I'm gonna add the potato and the sweet potato and just stir all that in. It's always good to season as you go. Some black pepper. So that's halfway there. I'm now going to add some halved cherry tomatoes, which are going to add some sweetness and juiciness into the pan. Just a handful's good. I'm going to finally chop up some parsley, which we'll add at the last minute. So I'm going to add the parsley and also just a dash of red wine vinegar. You can use cider vinegar or balsamic. And this is just going to kind of cut through the rich meatiness and give it some tang. So this is enough for about, I'd say about 4 people. A couple of tablespoons into a bowl. Add a little bit of rocket. And then we're going to finish it off with some yogurt. And then also a little tahini, which is like a sesame seed paste. A final little pinch of smoked paprika. So just add a little bit of rocket and I'm just going to mix that through as well. Just put a little bit of green in there. A little bit of yogurt. I think it's such a wonderful brunch dish and it's so easy to make, and it's a nice alternative if you don't want to make pancakes or eggs. I'm a big fan. Do try the recipe, let me know how you get on. If you have any comments or questions, do comment below, and you can find the full recipe in the description box. See you next time.